Hello dear student, welcome to Department of Computer Science, KTHM College Nasik. I am Dr. M. N. Shalar, Head of Computer Science Department. Going to present about Computer Science Department on this occasion of Student Induction Program 2020. Let us begin with what are the different courses or programs offered by the department. Department offers 2 undergraduate or degree programs and 2 postgraduate degree programs. First, BSc Computer Science, which is started in the department from 1986, which was popularly known as BCS. And later on in 2004, university has renamed as BSc Computer Science. This is 3-year degree program for which 12 science with mathematics students are eligible. Second program, BCA, Bachelor of Computer Application under Science faculty, which is started in the department from 2016. For this 3 years BCA program, 12 science students, although the student has opted for mathematics or not, such students are eligible for this program. MSc Computer Science is a first PG program which is started in the department from 1990, which was popularly known as MCS, and from 2004 university has changed its name as a MSc Computer Science. For MSc Computer Science, BSc Computer Science students or BCS students are eligible. Then second PG program which is offered in the department, MSc Computer Application, which is 2 years PG program, recently started by Savitribai Phule Pune University and in our college from 2019. Students who have completed their science degree in any subject and those who want to do career in computer science application or information technology, such as students are eligible for this program. BCA science students are also eligible for MSc Computer Application. In addition to those UG and PG programs, department also offers certificate programs. Those are skill based or skill oriented programs which help students for their jobs in various IT industries. CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate, the certificate course which is started by department from 2015 under the collaboration with Cisco Systems USA. This certificate program is conducted through learning management system provided by Cisco. Recently, department has collaboration with Red Hat to conduct Linux certificate programs, and from this year we are going to start such Linux certificate programs for students. Let us come to the infrastructural facilities provided by the department to conduct all those UG, PG and certificate courses. Department has 8 dedicated classrooms, seminar hall, as well as 6 computer laboratories. Under these 6 computer laboratories, there are 191 PCs or desktops are installed, and those are connected through 5 different servers. As you are FY BSc Computer Science, Laboratory 1 with 30 computers is dedicated for your practicals. And for first year BCA students, Laboratory 4 is dedicated to conduct their practicals. All those Practical sessions are conducted in computer laboratories through LCD projectors with online demonstrations. There are 8 LCD projectors are available in department, in seminar hall as well as in computer laboratories. All those computer laboratories are connected through different servers through single local area network. Internet access is provided for all students in the department, and all those laboratories are having uninterrupted power supply backup for minimum 4 hours. These are the list of licensed softwares available in the department, but as per the university curriculum, all practical sessions are conducted through Linux operating system. We have a setup of client server architecture of 5 servers and 191 clients interconnected through 6 local area networks. In central library, there are more than 1700 reference books are available of computer science and application curriculum, as well as more than 3500 textbooks are available in central library. In addition to the central library, department has its own library setup with more than 600 reference books. In central library, online ebooks and e-journal facilities also provided through InflibNet and JGate database. This is year-wise total enrollment of students in the department. If you see from 2014-15, the student strength is continuously increasing. Last year, more than 700 students have admitted to different courses in our department. Department organizes expert lectures on recent trends in information technology by inviting experts from renowned IT industries and institutions, where we cover various topics in addition to the curriculum. Scholarship facilities also available in our college. Government scholarship is available for SC and ST students, and for other students, NT, OBC and open category students, Rajeshri Shaumara scholarship is provided by government. In addition to government scholarship, university also provides various scholarships to the students as per the academic and others performance. Circulars and notices will be given time to time through university as well as college website regarding the scholarships. Blue Cross Laboratory is also providing a scholarship to needy students having better performance in their previous examination. Once you get the scholarship for first year from the Blue Cross Laboratories, this scholarship will be continued for next 3 years as per your academic performance. To expose hidden talents, department organizes various activities under the title Spectrum, where we conduct interclass competitions on programming contest, quiz, elocution as well as debate. In addition to that, sports matches are also organized in the department. Cultural activities programs are also organized every year. Campus recruitment program is organized by our placement cell for last year UG and PG courses. Department periodically organizes mock tests as well as interviews to prepare them for this campus recruitment program. Every year, more than 70% students of PG courses are placed as trainee through this campus recruitment activity. These are the prominent alumni in our department, which are working in various IT industries in India as well as in abroad. If you see, there are some are working as a technical architect, some are working as software engineer, team leader, as well as scientists, executive vice presidents in various organizations. This is all about the computer science department, and I hope after this very soon this COVID-19 pandemic will meet in our college to take the benefits of this infrastructure and facilities available in computer department. Thank you. Thank you very much.